Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Myself Vipin Mission. I welcome you all in this post-gate guidance series of IMS Gate Academy. In this video, I am going to discuss about IIT Madras admission for EC electrical students. Right. Before that, I would like to request you that if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, do subscribe it and join our Telegram channel as well, so that you will keep on getting the regular update about all these kind of stuffs, right? Now talking about IIT Madras, so if I talk about IIT Madras, one of the finest institute of India in NIRF ranking, it is again #1 institute of India. When it comes to world ranking, it is ranked on 227th place, one of the finest place for EC electrical student. If you will be getting a chance to get admission here, it will be a very good thing. Now talking about what specialization it is offering you, so just see, it is offering you communication and signal processing, right? You can get admission into power system and power electronic, basically for electrical, microelectronics and VLSI design, electronic system design and instrumentation system, RF and photonics, integrated circuits and system, control and optimization, and electric vehicle. These are the specializations that IIT Madras is offering to EC electrical and IN students. Now talking about whether it is possible for you to get admission here, so you can check the cutoffs for different specializations, category wise, everything is present in, and this will be an idea for you that whether you can be there or not. Okay, obviously the cutoffs are very high for each and every specialization at IIT Madras, the reason one of the finest institute of India, right? If I talk about communication and signal processing, so you can see for general category 677, for EWS category 568, and for OBC category almost same 553, for SC category 420, and for ST category 320, right? Similarly, you can have an idea of about all those specialization. Now, what are the top specialization for which you require a lot of gate score? So those are, just see, on the #1 we have integrated circuit and system. If you want to get admission into integrated circuit and system, where gate paper code EC electrical IN all can apply for that, you should have got a very high score of 858, means you should be there in top 100 ranks, right? After that we have microelectronics and VLSI, again very high cutoff 836, means again you should be there in top 100 ranks, so that you can get admission into microelectronics and VLSI design if you are from general category. Similarly, you can see the cutoffs almost quite close to the general category cutoff for EWS and OBC. Okay, for SC category, ST category 514 and 390 were the cutoff, right? Similarly, you can have idea of about all these specialization where it was easy to get admission. So if suppose you wanted to take admission into RF and photonics, if you wanted to take admission into electric vehicle, it was quite easy as compared to communication and signal processing, as compared to electronic system design, as compared to integrated circuit and system. It was easy to get admission into electric vehicles, RF and photonics. For power system and power electronics, again the cutoff was very high, 709 for general category, 670 for EWS, and 557 for OBC, 437 for SC category, 393 for ST category, right? So just see, take a screenshot of this page, and this will give you an idea whether you can get admission in this year in any of these specializations or not, and what are the different specializations, so you can prepare yourself accordingly, right? Now talking about the placement, so just see, all the popular names of the world, all the popular companies of the world are there in their poster. So don't think about placements. If you are there at IIT Madras, you will get decent placement. Final placement batch for batch 23-24, you can see average CTC offered to students was around 30.26 LPA. Median CTC offered to students were around 35.53 lakh per annum, and placement percentage was around 85%. So you will be having multiple opportunity, okay, for placements here at IIT Madras, and you will be getting a decent package as well, where the average and median packages were around 30 and 35. So you can imagine that what was the highest package. It will be, it was very high, right? Now talking about the important dates, right? So beginning of online application process has already started, right? You can apply in IIT Madras portal, admission portal. 27th March is the date that they have given. Last date of applying will be April, right? The process will be of taking admission here will be just first registered into common offer acceptance portal, that is COPE, and after that apply into individual IITs as well. Then you can just access the choices that you have given again by going into the COPE portal. This is the process, right? So in this way you can have an idea whether you will be there in IIT Madras or not, right? Now in this video we discuss about IIT Madras. In upcoming videos we'll keep on discussing about other IITs and NITs as well. Now if suppose your score was not that much good, you want to re-prepare for 26 and 27, or if suppose you want to prepare for 26 and 27 and you are a new GATE aspirant, you can join IMS GATE Academy live online courses, where we are offering you 800 plus hours of live classes and interaction, exceptional material in terms of theory book, exercise book and GATE question banks. Personalized mentorship is also there. 130 plus online tests are also there. So enough is there for learning, practicing and testing. You can book a free counseling session by calling on these numbers. And you want to enjoy the taste of IMS GATE Academy teaching and learning, you can join our GATE Zero Fee program, in which we are giving 50 hours of concept video, 3 chapter and subject tests alongside with GATE 24 and 25 solution as well. So you can just enroll here and you can enjoy the taste of our teaching, right? And just see the top rankers that we have produced. Okay, you can be the next one as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this video will give you a lot of information about IIT Madras admissions if you are from EC Electrical and IN.